What's up, traders? So in this video, we'll do a complete multi-time frame analysis of gold. Let's see what kind of trading or investing opportunity we have in this instrument. Now, before I begin the full analysis, make sure you join my free Telegram channel. The link is below this video, and also subscribe to my channel for more analysis like this. With that said, let's start with higher time frame. As usual, we will be starting with higher time frame to see a bigger picture, and then slowly we'll jump onto lower time frame to find trading opportunity. Now, first of all, gold, what kind of pattern it has created? Let's see. Now let's analyze. This is the monthly chart. On the higher time frame, all the noise from the lower time frame will be removed, and you can have a better idea of how the price action is forming. Now, first of all, see, there is a big movement. This is a strong upward movement on the monthly, and then what you see, gold is forming a symmetrical triangle. Let's draw this triangle. So if we draw this separately, this pattern, what you see, that gold is creating this kind of pattern. Now when you see, this is a bullish pattern, this is a clearly bullish pattern, and when you see this kind of pattern, what you can expect, couple of false breakout to the downside, and then finally break to the upside to continue its uptrend. So with that said, gold is in an uptrend on the higher time frame. Now let's jump on to the recent time frame. First of all, as I mentioned, that when you see a triangular pattern like this with a pole, you can expect couple of false breakout to the downside to grab liquidity, to have a huge momentum to move to the upside. So in that sense, gold has, look at this, has created a false breakout of this triangle, grab the liquidity. Now what we are seeing, that gold is now trying to push high. This is not enough. This candle may not break this resistance, but we might see couple of back and forth. Let's see on the lower time frame how we can see this trading opportunity. But before I jump onto lower time frame, one more important thing you need to see on the monthly. Look at this monthly candle here. This is a strong bullish candle followed by this red bearish candle. Now this bearish candle, you see there is a wick at the bottom. That is the buyers bought from here. This is an important liquidity zone. But this, in this green candle, what you saw, there is no wick at the top at all. That means that there is seller, there isn't enough seller, there was a strong buying momentum. Now this current month is happening the same. What you see, that the price is aggressively pushing to the upside. Now let's see on the weekly what kind of price action it is forming. Now on the weekly, the picture is a bit more clear. Now let's draw this trend line that has formed on the weekly time frame, connecting all the week of the weekly candlestick, and let's draw this bottom trend line. Now as you see, now look, when the price was here, I think even a year ago, I mentioned how gold is might be forming its price action. I told that the gold is likely to merge into this one point. Who are following me for a very long time must know this. So the price action is forming exactly the same way. So what is likely to happen? As you can see that in this weekly chart, that gold has created a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance, all the time the price heading to this resistance, bouncing back. Now we see that gold is again approaching to the same level of resistance, and we can expect the same. We can expect a bounce from here, again coming back to the support zone here, and then back and forth. At some point we might see explosion to the upside, we might see another false breakout to the downside, and then we may see or may not see a false breakout, and then we might see an explosion to the upside, so breaking to the upside. Now this is all the bigger picture. Now on the shorter picture, how we can find a trading opportunity. Now based on the daily time frame, what you see, after this breakout to the downside, we see the gold is now slowly moving to the upside to the resistance level. Now from here, as you can see, we still have a move to take to the downside. Now at this point, as gold is approaching this level of resistance, it is not a wise idea to buy from here, because as you know that this resistance was holding for a very very long time. Okay, so it is likely to hold in the future as well. Then how we will be trading? As you know that it is approaching the resistance, we'll be waiting for a short setup. Smash the like button now if you like this analysis. Now let's jump on to 4 hour time frame, see how we can find. As you need see that on the 4 hour, the gold is creating a series of higher low. That means that we might see today or tomorrow an explosion to the upside and reaching this resistance, and from this resistance we might see a reversal pattern. How we might see a big candle going up, big candle going down, or we might see double top, head and shoulder, whatever reversal pattern you can name. As soon as we'll see this reversal pattern, we'll watch closely to see all the rules of our strategy is satisfied or no. If we see enough confirmation, then we'll take a short for gold from here, keeping our stop loss above all this high, and keep our take profit at least 1 to 3, even 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. Now if you find value in this analysis, smash the like button for me. Before I wrap up, I have just launched my book Forex Price Action Trading. The link is below this video in description area. You can download it for free in ebook format. You just need an email address. At the same time, if you're new in trading or even trading for some time, I have a completely free also A to Z trading video lessons. You can access all of them. You just need an email address, completely for free. Thank you. See you soon.